If you ask me to explain acid-base balance to you, here's what I'll tell you as your tutor. Before you even learn about acid-base balance, you need to know all of this terminology. First of all, you're going to see something called the pH. The range for the pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Anything below 7.35 is considered acidic. Anything above 7.45 is considered alkaline. Then we have PaCO2, and PaCO2 refers to carbon dioxide. You already know we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is acidic, and we don't want to keep too much of it in our bodies. Next, we have HCO3, which is bicarbonate, and bicarbonate is a base, and it helps to maintain acid-base balance in our metabolic system. You see that acid-base question is to determine, is this a respiratory issue or is this a metabolic issue? ROME, respiratory opposite, metabolic equal. Before you understand what this means, remember and don't forget, if the pH is lower than 7.35, it is acidosis. If the pH is higher than 7.45, it is alkalosis. Respiratory opposite simply means that when it's a respiratory issue, typically the CO2 and the pH are typically going in opposite directions. That means if you see a low pH and you see a high CO2, then you know that it's respiratory acidosis. Then there's the other part of the acronym, ME, which means metabolic equal. Typically, when it's a metabolic issue, the HCO3 and the pH are going in the same direction. So when you see an acid-base question and the pH is low and the HCO3 is also low, then most likely it is metabolic acidosis. So next time you get an acid-based question, I want you to use these steps. Step 1, remember the pH, 7.35 to 7.45. Move to step 2 and remember that a carbon dioxide or CO2 issue is a lung issue and a HCO3 or bicarbonate issue is a kidney issue. That helps you to know if it's respiratory or metabolic. Step 3, remember the acronym ROME, respiratory opposite, metabolic equal. Now plug in your answers from the question and see what this gives you. If this is a respiratory acidosis or alkalosis, or if it's a metabolic acidosis or alkalosis. I bet you this will help you narrow down what your answer might be for the exam. Emphasis on might. The reason why I say might be is because there is something called partially compensated or fully compensated when it comes to these questions. And we're going to talk about that in the next video. This is the basis and the beginning of acid-base balance. If this helped you, share it with another nursing student who may benefit from it, and let me know in the comment section if it helped you and what topic you want to see next. Until next time, bye guys.